Good morning, boys. Yoshi, Asher. Yoshi's over there, by the way. I know that. Asher's back there. Vinny. And hang on. Gus. Wait a second. Mufasa and Vinny. I don't remember which one's which. I can't really tell anymore. You guys can. Left or right. Mufasa, Vinny, hook me up in the comments. Thank you very much. Subscribe too and follow if you'd like. I'll stay behind the camera a little today. It's a boy water heater hookup time. I gotta move this actually because they might decide to start chewing on it. So I gotta keep the wires out. All the water heaters, all three are hooked up here on that splitter. And then this one comes over here and hooks up here. So all four of these will be heated. They're frozen right now. It is, what time is it? It is 1:44 in the afternoon. We got big snow on the way. Uh-oh, that got all tangled. Yeah, big snow for lots of New England. Connecticut, our area could see 8 to 10 inches. That's, I think, the best snowstorm we've seen in 2 years, possibly. Hello, Winston. An 80 with the good old 80 jump the other day. So I gotta go get them water, fill it up before all the snow starts coming. Gotta get as many chores done outside as possible before the snow gets here. And I gotta get, my hands are frozen. I gotta cook some family dinner coming up. So, you know, Liz and I are gonna start doing all that soon. Again, things taco day for us. Tacos, burritos. Jake might try to make a crunch wrap. It's a Taco Bell thing. Get as much stuff cleaned up as possible. Get all the water heaters hooked up. I gotta get the chicken one hooked up and the duck one hooked up still. Those are not hooked up. I gotta find more extension cords. Clean up all this stuff, all these tools, these chairs. That stuff's out of the way. The shovel, clean up everything. Tyler was working on something out here, so we got the garbage. All this has to get cleaned up. That way, when it's time to plow snow in the driveway, you don't have a bunch of things in your way. He's got cords on the floor. Actually, I'm gonna grab that cord. We might be able to use that one for the chicken hot water heater. Yep, that's it. That's what's going on today. Bunch of prep for snow. I actually looked at buying more ducks. They're $12 a piece as day-old. The problem is they're not laying anything because it's too cold. And I want more in the spring, but they don't lay any eggs. We can't incubate, so we'll have to decide what to do. We took like a year or so off, maybe 2 years off, of growing our own food, because we still have a bunch. I still have a lot of chicken in the freezer that we grew. I gotta eat more of it, whole chickens. We have maybe one more duck in the freezer. I wanna grow more, harvest some more. And I think pigs are coming back, but I don't know if it's gonna be this spring or we're gonna wait one more year, but we're out of pork completely. We're definitely out of beef that we've raised. We don't have anywhere for a beef cow anymore because we've taken over all the house pie with goats. I'm also thinking turkeys. I don't like rabbit meat enough. So yeah, I don't know what else. Oh, that got my foot. Oh, I got my foot all wet. Oh, fast enough. Yeah, I don't know if that's gonna keep the duck water. I put it under the pool on the edge, but now the pool's got a shape to it, which means the right side will freeze. Maybe the left side will stay warm enough, and I can just keep that full all winter. I don't know. I'm trying to come up with a new idea, because the old way is hard to do. Possibly 2 heaters, 1 on each side. I have a second one, but I don't know if it works.
Keep it simple, keep it sweet. Here's a line I heard somewhere. Feel the ground under your feet. It can take you anywhere. Chasing shadows with you. Let's get broken, then repair. In times of anger, feeling hope, find that light under the door. Build a bridge right to the shore. All that could have been talking would have been once. Ain't never done much for help.
The ice cubes are melting, are floating. They're not stuck to the sides anymore. And the heaters should heat it right back up. This is all just garbage that has to go. Like a little winter cleaning going on. So, calm before the storm, I guess. All these towels. The stool can stay in the barn. Yeah, the ducks, chickens. Stay in there. Oh man, the chairs. Let's go move those. And this guy. Garbage. You guys remember this? They broke it. It is now garbage.
Keep it simple, keep it sweet. There's a line I heard somewhere. That ground beneath your feet, it can take you anywhere.
All right, chickens and ducks are done. Goats are done. Everything's looking pretty good there. I still gotta get rid of those towels. Clean up this area a little bit. Get rid of some stuff in that corner. Just keep going. So these concrete blocks are for Winnie, Winston, Vinny, and Fergie when they move out to Gus's old pen during all the baby time. This is for the porch building coming soon. You may have seen that in, I think yesterday's video? I don't know. One of the videos I posted when I was moving all the wood out of the back of the truck. All that wood is for the overhang for the new like outdoor pen we're building off of the red barn for those goats. Whew. It's hot and cold all at the same time out here. The tractor's thirsty. Ugh. Oh, don't spill. Don't spill. There we go. Silly safety nozzles. I'll be here for a couple minutes. Oh, there's one more thing I'm gonna do. I just thought of it. Internet's been down in House of Pie ever since that storm. I think our wire, something's wrong with it. So I gotta run a new cable from Cassie's castle all the way to the farm store. So I might measure how long that cable needs to be. Kevin and I will probably run it just above ground for now and just avoid it with every machine we have. And then possibly run it underground in the spring before kidding season. Yeah, I think that's what I might do. Because I want to get internet back up in House of Pie. Sooner rather than later. Oh my goodness. You need one of those valves in the top to let air in so it can go a lot faster. And I gotta pee. Almost full. Oh, you know what? I'm actually gonna stop. I'm gonna leave a little in here for the garage heater. That also takes diesel. We're gonna go to the dumpster next. This is the exact reason that my rule for the snow blower is like 8 inches of snow or more. More like 6 inches of snow or more. I try to hook up the snow blower because I've been struggling with it for about the last 20 minutes trying to get it connected, trying to find all my parts. I need to get extra ones of these pins and these guys spring back. Watch this. Bam! And I got one of them caught on my finger earlier, and I said some bad words. This one, I like to leave it on the lawnmower. Actually, the brush hog is what it's really called. I like to leave it there. I like to have every machine have its own set of parts, but I don't have that. And I've been dealing with trying to find everything, getting it all hooked up. It's almost there. It's almost ready to go. And you know what'll happen? It's not gonna snow. That stinks. That's way off. Oh, and I'm not gonna be able to get that. There we go. A little more. A little more. Maybe right there. No. One more time. There we go. Don't click your finger. All right, everything but the PTO is hooked up. You guys remember what PTO stands for? Put it in the comments. Constantly educating. This lever right here. Oh, sorry, right there. You pull it and it goes up. Now it's way crooked, so we're gonna have to figure out why. It's been sitting in the weeds for 2 years. Got used last year. I think I plowed with the front bucket the one storm. Actually, I think we just drove over it. I don't think we cleared any snow last year.
1 hour later.
12. 1, 2, 3. I'm dizzy now. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have no idea. 12 snow sticks. And I ran out super fast. I gotta go find more. It better snow with all this prep. I was yelling at the tractor again. I needed to get out some grease. The PTO, by the way, stands for power take off. You take the power off the motor and put it on a implement of some kind, like a snowblower or a lawnmower or whatever. All right, I gotta go find more snow sticks and then cook tacos. I'll see you guys again. Actually, I have to go check on Liz, see what she's been up to. She's been working on a whole bunch of soap stuff. That's this amazing video. I'll try to run it here that she made for Facebook the other day. Now I might get demonetized, or I'll just run it with my own music. But that girl's so amazing. I might be out here the one talking to you all day freezing. She's the one doing all the real work. See you again tomorrow. Bye.